Now let's talk about the housing market this summer and what new homeowners can expect. Here to tell us more is Randy with Courtney Valleywide. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, this is a hot topic right now because a lot of people have questions about the market. So what is the current market like for the residential real estate market in the Valley?
In the Valley, it is a tight market. Inventory is very low.
Okay.
We have many people moving in. We're actually in a housing shortage.
A housing shortage?
Yes.
Oh no. So is that why the housing prices are so high now?
That is, and that of course is a matter of a number of people moving in. We don't have enough homes to go around.
Oh no, okay, that's a problem. So how does inflation affect residential real estate?
Well, that's part of it too. You know, during inflationary times, prices on homes actually go up. And that's what we're experiencing right now.
So what are the economists predicting about mortgage rates?
Well, I'm glad you asked because right now we're seeing a cooling effect by the Fed. And there's many economists that say that by the end of the year, we should have much lower rates. And refinance once that rate drop takes place.
Right. So at this time, though, people should not refinance.
Correct. Unless they have just an extremely high rate or taking equity out to pay off credit card debt, things that can be an advantage.
Okay. So what is the real situation about Arizona water?
Well, you know, that's a great topic, a hot topic right now. Several articles came out recently, New York Times, other places, and they say that Arizona's running out of water. Well, our reservoirs, we have 5 reservoirs, they're 97% full.
Okay.
And we only take about a third of our water from the Colorado. So we have 80,000 housing permits already spoken for, already approved. The water shortage that they're saying that we're going to have at many, many years down the road. And Arizona is real progressive at their water conservation.
Okay, good to know. All right, we're learning a lot today with you. Thank you. So why do you only want to hire full-time experienced agents?
It's important because most people don't realize that only 3% of us sell more than 25 homes in a year. So the average agent is doing about 6. Okay. So you don't want to hire someone that actually is practicing on you. You want an experienced broker that actually knows what they're doing, sells houses every day, and get the job done right.
That's true. So when someone is looking to buy a home for their first time, what do they need to look for with their real estate agent?
Well, you know, what they're looking for in a real estate agent that has really good product knowledge, that has good area local knowledge about schools and shopping, jobs, things that are really important, such as the best floor plans, the best builders, what can be the best home for resale down the road, because at some point they're going to need to sell that home.
Okay. All right. So we're excited about this because Courtney Valleywide is teaming up with the United Food Bank for Summer of a Million Meals. Yes. Talk about that and why it's important.
Well, you know, we've operated with the aspect of the golden rule, giving back. And this is a great opportunity. We actually can give back to those in need, and that's why we're here.
And that's why we're here, because we want you guys to help out with Summer of a Million Meals.
Yes.
So why is it important for people to donate?
Well, it's important because we have such a need of people in the Valley that are homeless and hungry. We can help with that.
And that's what you guys are here to do,
Absolutely.
right?
Absolutely.
All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon and sharing all of that helpful information and for being a part of Summer of a Million Meals.
Pleasure to be here.
And if you want some more information, you can go ahead and visit the website there at the bottom of your screen, or you can call that number.